Ever wondered how your favorite apps come to life? Let's break it down in 6 quick phases of the application development life cycle. Ready? Let's go! Phase 1 consists of planning and requirements gathering. This is where the magic begins. Teams define goals, gather user needs, and map out the project scope. Phase 2 is where design part comes in. The blueprint stage. Designers create wireframes, mockups, and workflows, laying the foundation for a seamless user experience. Phase 3 Development. Code, compile, and construct. Developers bring the design to life by building the app's core functionality. Phase 4 Testing. Debugging time. Every line of code is tested to ensure the app runs smoothly and is free of glitches. Phase 5 Development. Showtime. The app is launched, making its way to users through app stores or websites. Phase 6 Maintenance. The journey doesn't stop. Regular updates, bug fixes, and new features keep the app fresh and functional. And that's it. 6 phases and one amazing app. Are you looking to create an app for your business? Reach out to us and let experts give you your dream app.